Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the wall precisely. Measure height and width in meters and multiply to get wall area. Once done, measure windows and doors and subtract their area because wallpaper covers only wall surface. Next, check the wallpaper roll width and the pattern repeat length printed by the maker. That affects how many vertical seams you need. Make sure to write every figure down. These first actions prevent wasted rolls and give you the numbers for the next calculation steps. Now you convert those measurements into rolls. Divide the wall width by one roll's usable width to get how many vertical drops you need. Round up to the next whole drop. Then calculate how many full height drops each roll yields by dividing the roll length by the wall height, while adjusting for pattern repeat so seams align. This reduces usable drop length. Once you have drops per roll, divide total drops by drops per roll and round up. Make sure to account for waste and offcuts. Finish by adding a contingency. Add 10 to 15% extra rolls for pattern matching, mistakes, and corner waste. This is why you round up earlier. Purchase whole rolls and note the batch number to avoid slight color shifts. Once installed, if you run short, you can often salvage by using offcuts near edges or trimming the pattern repeat in small sections. Do this only if pattern alignment allows. If seams don't match, stop, remeasure, and swap rolls from the same batch before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.